points to find the perfect match. In a matter of seconds, it presents you with the exact carburetor you need, along with where to get it. The beauty of this system doesn't stop at its speed. It's also incredibly accurate. The machine learning algorithms learn from every search, becoming more adept at finding the perfect fit each time. It's like having a seasoned mechanic with an encyclopedic knowledge of parts at your fingertips, making your job easier and less stressful. The impact of this AI system has been immense. It's drastically reduced the time spent on searching for parts, freeing up valuable time for mechanics to focus on what they do best, fixing vehicles. And it's not just about speed. The accuracy in finding the perfect part has also improved, reducing the risk of ordering the wrong part and the delays and costs that come with it. Indeed, AI has revolutionized the way we find aftermarket parts, making the process quicker, more accurate, and less stressful. So, what have we learned today? We've discovered that the journey to finding the perfect fit for aftermarket parts can often be like navigating a labyrinth. The sheer volume of options, the variance in quality, and the need for precise compatibility all make this a challenging endeavor. But as we've seen, there's a game changer on the horizon: artificial intelligence. AI has shown immense promise in transforming this intricate process into a streamlined one. It uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze patterns, predict compatibility, and ensure quality, thereby taking the guesswork out of the equation. The benefits of this technological advancement are manifold: increased efficiency, reduced errors, and ultimately, higher customer satisfaction. With AI on our side, finding the perfect fit for aftermarket parts is no longer a daunting task. It's a brave new world for mechanics, and we're excited to see what the future holds.